Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a title loan with TitleMax, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer a title loan with TitleMax, start by gathering important documents. You'll need the original title of your vehicle. Ensure the title is free of any liens. Next, visit your local TitleMax branch. Bring along a valid government-issued ID. Speak with a representative about your intention to transfer the loan. They will guide you through the process and inform you of any requirements. Fill out any necessary paperwork provided by the representative. Be prepared to provide details about the vehicle, such as make, model, and year. After submitting your paperwork, the representative will review your information. They will also assess the current value of your vehicle. Once approved, you'll be informed about the terms of your new loan. Ensure you understand the interest rates and repayment terms. If you agree with the terms, sign the new loan agreement. The representative will then help you complete the title transfer. This may involve signing over the title from the previous owner to TitleMax. Make sure to keep a copy of the title transfer for your records. After the transfer is complete, you'll receive your loan amount. Remember to ask about any additional fees that may apply. Finally, make a plan for your repayment schedule to avoid any issues in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.